This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Buena Park, a residential pocket of uptown, to a location that's a short walk from bars, restaurants, coffee shops, and Lincoln Park for a tour of one of the apartments at Buena Shores. I'm on the top floor of the building at apartment 2202, a two-bedroom, looking out west toward Broadway, the bar on Buena, 7-Eleven at the corner, and looking toward what's going to be a fabulous view of the sunset. Turning into a nice-sized living dining area. There's hardwood oak flooring throughout the apartment. A ceiling fan. Headed toward the entryway. It's a coat closet and an entry that's wide enough for a hall console table. Pass through from the entry into the kitchen, where you have a pantry cabinet, a white appliance package that includes a 4-burner gas range, and a built-in dishwasher. Heading back toward the bedrooms and bath, there's a linen closet with shelving directly ahead of me. And then a clean, fresh-looking bath, white vanity, mirrored medicine cabinet up above it, soaking tub shower combination with built-in soap dishes. Bedroom number 1 has an additional air conditioning unit, touch you don't always find in apartments in the neighborhood. Another closet off to my left as I head toward bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is the larger of the two, also has an air conditioning unit, and a view south toward the skyline and Wrigley Field, which is walking distance from here, and Thorpe Hospital, just a short walk away. Buena Shores has on-site parking, an amenities package that includes a fitness room, and a variety of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments that are on the budget-friendly end of the scale. Definitely want to put Buena Shores on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.